All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cardano family. Appreciate you guys as always, but let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Cardano and of course what we could be expecting going into a brand new week ahead of us. Looking across the board, we are seeing, quite a bit of red across the board as we can see, and that is due to Bitcoin. Bitcoin did see, a little bit of a minor pullback over the course of the last 2.5 hours, which of course has impacted the broader market. But as far as Cardano is concerned, it's down about 4.4%. Shouldn't really be a major surprise to anyone because of course the broader market is down. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, and of course on the monthly time frame, Cardano is up 159%. But let's take a closer look. Before I do that though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So ADA is currently sitting at $1.14, down 4.5% in USD, also down about 4.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 41.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $1.8 billion. But yeah, looking at the Bitcoin dominance, I did mention this in some of my other updates. If you did end up watching them, the dominance index is going up because of course, Bitcoin did see a major shakeout to the likes of 98,300. And of course, if you put one and two together, it makes sense why we aren't seeing the broader meme coin market, as well as, the utility projects, pretty much everything, not just the meme coin market, everything seems to be down right now. And that is due to what just happened over the course of the last few days. But remember, over the weekend, CME futures are closed, more manipulation than usual. It's going to be really interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts going into Monday morning, and see the reaction for Bitcoin. And of course, that daily close, that will really give us a better understanding as to what we could be expecting. But yeah, before we get into it any further though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. We made our, way all the way into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Of course, we know about that, the $1.33 retest. And since then, obviously the price has seen a little bit of a minor pullback. But I also have been seeing some negative comments coming towards ADA. People saying, what is Cardano doing? Why is it not continuing to pump to the likes of the 0.50, the 38.2 levels, which are around that $1.80 to $2 price point? But are we going to forget that, Cardano is up 300% over the course of the last 1 month? No one, and I repeat, no one thought that this would happen. And here we are, Cardano made major moves. Cardano has shocked a lot of people. So we don't want to be forgetting those things, of course. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening, because of course, we're below the 61.8. We're in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Let's really understand what we're looking at and how the price is currently holding. So if you kind of take a look at it on the hourly time frame, things don't look bad at all. You are seeing this, upward trajectory still intact. We're not invalidated that yet, of course, and we haven't even retested the dollar support line, because we haven't seen a sharp drop, right? Even though we have seen a major shakeout, I would say 4 days back around that $90,000, that major wick, you did not even see altcoins budging because, thanks to the dominance did not move up to the likes of, these yearly highs. And, we're in an altcoin season, believe it or not. But yeah, ADA is holding really, really good. We're noticing a little bit of a pattern. And what I mean by that is, if you're looking at the, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, what can you see? What can you notice here? You're seeing major rejections after, we retested it. So we're not seeing significant, momentum to, keep the price of ADA to, stay within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. The 24-hour trading volume, considering, what project it really is, we're talking about ADA, it does usually have a lot of hype factor involved. The 24-hour trading volume is still at around 2 billion, but, we're not seeing it the likes of, that 7-8 plus $billion. But so far so good, right? I'm still liking, the way it's currently ranging, and you're noticing once again yet another pattern. Of course, we're noticing that, there is a rejection at the 78.6, but, we have been supported by, that previous resistance that was coming in our way. Remember, we spoke about that resistance. That exact same resistance, is coming as a level of support. As you can see, we have tested the support several different times, and that tells you everything you need to know. If you lose the support though, Now we could make our way down to the likes of that $8, potentially even down to that psychological support, which is at the dollar price. But I'm really liking what we're seeing right now. You cannot be forgetting the way ADA is holding. Yes, we are seeing a little bit of a rejection within the 61.8, but we cannot forget the bigger picture, and nor can we forget, what has happened with Bitcoin, the shakeout. Bitcoin is making its way up to 99,600, so wouldn't even be surprised if BTC makes its way up to 100K as the time of you watching this update. But so far so good. I'm liking the setup. The target, of course, is still around the $1.47, but one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.